Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you the review of the newly launched Plum, Grape Seed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Facial Oils, and it has been launched almost 25 to 30 days ago, and this is enough time I'm using it on my face. So today I'm here to share my view, goods and bads about this facial oil, and also at the end of the video I'll be sharing with you 5 ways to use a facial oil in your daily life. So if you are new to my channel, then I am Devadrita. I make fashion, beauty, makeup, skincare and many more topics. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you leave. Now let's get started with the video. So this oil is a combination of the Skin Beneficial 10 Beautiful Oil, and it has sea buckthorn oil, grapeseed oil, then sweet almond oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, sunflower oil, apricot oil, jojoba oil, pomegranate oil, and that's it. So these 10 beautiful oil combined together and makes this 30 ml bottle. So I am not going through the each and every details of each oil. If you want to know, I will give the details below in the description bar. You can definitely read it. So the Plum goodness include this oil into their sea buckthorn range, and that's why the outer packaging looks like the other sea buckthorn products. And the main oil comes within this frosty glass bottle, and also it has a dropper screwed cap. You can infuse the oil with the help of this dropper, and the packaging reminds me all the other oils bottles. The texture of this oil is very nice. It's a dry oil and very lightweight. It can settle down completely on your skin if you use it on a right quantity. So the oil can be used during the daytime under your makeup, foundation and moisturizer, and you can also use it during the night time prior to use your night cream. So I like to use the oil 3 drops in the morning before doing my makeup, and also I use it as a primer before my foundation, and sometimes I use it in the night time 2 drops on my skin for intense hydration, and gently pat the oil into my skin and massage gently in upward stroke, and it gives me a very nice hydrating skin for the whole night. So when I first started using this oil, there was also cold and dryness in the weather, so it's really worked amazingly on my dry patches, and also I have used it underneath my foundation, and it keeps my skin well hydrated and no dry patches were visible. And I'm using it since a long time, so I can say that it's really makes my skin glowy and also softer. So the price of this facial oil is 775 rupees, and you will get 30 ml of product, which is pretty decent. And also there is a discount going on their website right now, and you can get it for 599 rupees. So I think this is the good time to purchase this oil from the Plum Goodness website. So my final thought about this oil is you can definitely use it if you have an extremely dry or dry skin, and oily skin people also can use it 1 to 2 drops before bedtime or underneath your foundation. Basically it's really travel friendly and pleasant smell, and also you need a very small amount to use, so it will go long last, and it's heal your dry patches mostly and make your skin glowy and softer. So I will definitely recommend you to use this oil. Now moving on to the second part, that is how to use this facial oil in 5 ways. So now let's get started with the procedure. So number 1 is skin treatment. You can take 4 to 5 drops of this facial oil and apply it all over your face and neck area, and simply keep it for 2 to 3 hours, and it will obviously hydrate your skin a lot. So number 2 is makeup primer. If you are running about your makeup primer, you can use 3 to 4 drops of this facial oil onto your skin underneath your foundation. It will help to blend the makeup seamlessly and also hydrate your skin a lot. And also if you have clogged pores around your nose area, it will definitely minimize that pores also. So number 3, if you are about to use your colored eyeliner with your eyeshadow, you can definitely pour 1 drop of this facial oil into your eyeshadow, and then you can create beautiful colored eyeliner looks with this oil. Number 4 is plump up your lips. So before using any kind of matte lipstick, you can drop out 1 to 2 drops of this facial oil onto your lips and blends very nicely, and then apply your matte lipstick, so it will not dry out your lips at all. And finally, last but not the least, you can use 1 to 2 drops of this facial oil, mixing it with your aloe vera or cucumber gel as your under eye circle cream or under eye cream. You have to blend it very nicely, and within a few days you will see a big difference in your under eye dark circles. So guys, that's it for the review of the Plum Goodness newly launched sea buckthorn and grapeseed facial oil, and I think it's a good oil to try out because 30 ml will last long, at least for 6 to 8 months, because you need very small quantity to use, and also the 5 hacks that you can do in your daily life with this facial oil. So if you guys like this review and this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of my future videos and notification. And also don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below about this video, that if you liked it or not or anything. So yeah, I will see you guys super soon. Until next time, bye, take care, stay happy and stay healthy.